It's been a minute the Maverick been resisting this burning issue in the world of swimming, where this once struggling collegiate male swimmer decided to start identifying as a woman and compete as a female swimmer. He was allowed so to do, and now he's now dominating and won a national collegiate female title, beating up some women who were Olympic medalists. And of course, he's being celebrated and heralded as a champion female swimmer. And obviously, the Maverick cannot say what I really want to say about this issue and this swimmer. Sufficing to say, this fellow was born a man who could not cut it as a male swimmer. So he get up one morning and decide say he wants to be a woman and compete as a woman swimmer. And is now using his superior masculine strength to beat up the woman them, and is now celebrating his triumph. And look, I don't really care what man or a woman wants to identify as. If a man wants to identify as a dog, or a cow, or a goat, or even as a lizard, or a crocodile, him free. But a biological man competing against and dominating biological women in competitive sport, the Maverick can only say, no!